If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants. I do not know what I may appear to the world, but to myself I seem to have been only like a boy playing on the seashore, and diverting myself and now and then finding a smoother pebble or a prettier shell than ordinary, while the great ocean of truth lay all undiscovered before me. To every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. The more I learn, the more I realize how much I don't know. Gravity explains the motions of the planets, but it cannot explain who sets the planets in motion. I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. Nature is pleased with simplicity. And nature is no dummy. If I have done the public any service, it is due to my patient thought. The laws of nature are written in the language of mathematics. What we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean. I have not the least doubt that the Christian religion is the true religion, and that it is in its fundamentals as well as its various particularities in accordance with reason. The universe is written in the language of mathematics. A man may imagine things that are false, but he can only understand things that are true. I am not a mathematician, but a physicist, and I am concerned with understanding the fundamental laws of nature. I have always been a student of the natural world, seeking to understand its fundamental principles. The important thing is to never stop questioning. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. In the absence of any other proof, the thumb alone would convince me of God's existence. Nature and nature's laws lay it in night. God said, "Let Newton be," and all was light. I have a fundamental belief that the laws of nature are discovered rather than invented. The object of learning is to understand the principles that govern the universe. The most beautiful system of the sun, planets, and comets could only proceed from the counsel and dominion of an intelligent and powerful being. We build too many walls and not enough bridges. To explain all nature is too difficult a task for any one man or even for any one age. The study of mathematics is an adventure of the mind. Every action has its equal and opposite reaction. It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. If I have been able to see further, it was only because I stood on the shoulders of giants. The most difficult thing in the world is to know yourself. I see the world as a vast machine which we are only beginning to understand.